Hello learners, welcome back to the channel Economics at Ease, and today we are going to do question number 9. We were continuing it. I have already solved trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet was given of this question number 9 as your homework. Hopefully you have done it, okay, and the balance sheet would be 2,78,850, okay. This is the answer. It should tally with this amount. But I'm going to solve this again, okay, and then question number 10 I have already given you as a homework. Okay. Then question number 11, I'll try my best to solve this also. This is the continuation, okay? Returns के बाद यहाँ से continue कर रहा है, okay? Question. Then question number 12 also you can solve, okay? So let's see how much we can solve here together in this short period of time. Let me open the whiteboard and I hope so you won't be having any problem while solving the rest of the questions, okay? Okay. So question number 9, I'm going to continue this. Question number 9, we are going to solve the balance sheet, right? Very quickly, just make the columns, liabilities and asset sides, amount rupees, and also put the heading balance sheet as at. By the time I'm drawing the lines, you just carry on this work. So, balance sheet as at, it was half yearly, so say 30th September 2023. Here you have the liabilities side, then amount rupees, and then the asset side, amount rupees. First of all, we are going to start here with the capital. Capital आपका question में given है 1,55,000. Then you're going to add net profit. Net profit आपका आया था 97,350. 97,350. And drawings were also given in the question. Okay. So we were going to subtract drawings, that is 9,000. आउटर कॉलम में आप लिख देंगे 243350. इसमें ये ऐड करेंगे 1,55,000 में नेट प्रॉफिट एंड देन लेस ड्रॉइंग्स. देन क्रेडिटर्स आर गिवन. सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स हो या क्रेडिटर्स हो, वन एंड द सेम थिंग. क्रेडिटर्स हैं 25,000 के एंड बिल्स पेबल. These are all the items of the liability side. 10,500. Okay. The next is here cash in hand 750. Cash at bank 22,700. Then freehold premises 1,30,000. Then debtors 48,000. Then bills receivable 22,000. Then furniture 15,400. And very important, closing stock. Okay, this is the most important thing, closing stock 40,000. Now you're going to do the total of both the sides. Liabilities and asset side must be equal. Okay, so when I'm going to total all these, I'm getting here 2,78,850. And here again 2,78,850. So this is the balance sheet of question number 9 of Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. Okay. that I have given you as homework. Now I'm going to solve the question number 10. Now I've already given you the screenshot. First, I'm going to write here the heading trading account of, for example, here the name is mentioned. Yes, Mr. Patil. Mr. Patil. Okay. For the year ended on 31st March. For the year ended 31st March 2023, right? Now I'm going to draw the columns, and quickly you also have to make the columns, right? Particulars amount rupees, particulars amount rupees. Okay, don't forget that. Debit and credit mention. Okay, and then start with the opening stock, then sales, and if returns are there, then you can also do that one. Okay, let's start quickly. First, the format I am going to complete, and then going to see the question. You have to follow this only, okay? Okay, so here you're going to write to, and here you're going to write buy. Now let's see the question. Purchase and sales given opening stock, drawings, motorcycles, cycles and cards, delivery, bad debts, debtors, vehicle expenses, and petty expenses. All the expenses are going to be in the PL account. Carriage inwards, workers, equipment. And last is returns. Returns are given, right? So to opening stock first. So opening stock is 6,500, right? Yes, in the question. Now returns दोनों में है. It means in a column में हम लिखेंगे purchases less returns, buy sales less returns. अच्छा, सेल्स रिटर्न क्या होगी? वो डेबिट में अमाउंट होगा, ठीक है, और जो परचेज रिटर्न होगी वो क्रेडिट में अमाउंट होता है. दैट इज लास्ट में आपका बिल्कुल दिया है क्वेश्चन में, तो मैंने पहले मेंशन कर दिया, राइट? इसमें से माइनस करेंगे, बट हियर फर्स्ट वी हैव टू राइट द अमाउंट. तो 16180 इज योर अमाउंट फॉर परचेजेस, एंड इसमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करा तो आपका आ गया 15,900. एंड सेल्स कितना है? 75,200. So you will be getting 75,000 in the outer column. Then of course every time closing stock, don't skip this, okay? Closing stock is 5,400. Then to wages. Wages is 1,500. Then to carriage inward was given, and it is 500. Now total of this and this, okay, you have to do, and then we will see whether we are getting the gross profit or the gross loss, okay? Zyadatar maximum time 95% you get the gross profit. So as you can see here, this items, credit side items are more, so it is 80,400. And when you're going to total this debit side items, it will be coming 24,400. So the difference is your gross profit. To gross profit transferred to profit and loss account. Now difference is 24,400 and 80,400. That is 56,000. So this is your trading account, right? Now I'm going to make this part, profit and loss account. Okay, profit and loss account as on 31st 3 23, and then the table Particulars, amount rupees, debit, credit, everything you have to mention again, okay? The same kind of account, but the items are different. That is the indirect. Fine. Here again, debit and credit. Particulars, amount rupees, particulars, amount rupees, again to and by. Now remember, gross profit is always transferred here, okay? Gross profit transferred from trading account. And gross profit is how much? It is 56,000, right? So 56,000 is the gross profit. Now I'm going to see the indirect expenses and incomes, okay? So first we have the 2 cycles and cards delivery. That is 2,500. Then to bad debts, 200. Then to vehicle expenses. Please write neatly. I'm just writing fast. That's why. Okay, और register पे लिखने का different ही style होता है, right? To insurance premium. I'm just writing in half. Okay. Then to salaries. 900. This whole question is of 10 marks, right? To petty expenses. All the indirect expenses, okay? On the debit side. To go down rent. In comparison, you can say to trading account. इसमें क्या होते हैं ज्यादा आइटम्स होते हैं राइट इट्स नॉट गेटिंग don't know what's happened here go down rent 1800 then to general expenses I hope I haven't missed anything okay that is 700 now gross profit इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है so of course 56,000 is more so here you have 56,000 and 56,000 I'm going to go to the debit side it would be 11,000 so it means again a net profit so to net profit transferred to capital account and it is 45,000 the difference. Now we're going to make a balance sheet quickly. Balance sheet as at 31st 3 23, right? Now table again. Liabilities and assets amount rupees, okay? Just try to do this quickly. These kind of questions used to come and you should know the correct posting. The main thing is this. And this is the liability side. And this is your asset side. Remember to mention the closing stock on the asset side, okay? Now, first of all, capital. add net profit, and drawings are also there. Okay. Capital is what? 8,600. The net profit is 45,000. अभी जो हमें मिला है. And less drawings 4,000. You will get 49,600. Right? Then creditors 2,000. Then bills payable 1,000. And bank loan 2,000. Asset side here, bills receivable 800. Then debtors 4,000. Then motorcycle, it's a kind of an asset, 12,500. Then bank and cash balance 1,800. Petty cash 100. Workers equipment 30,000. And of course your closing stock is 5,400. जो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में पहले हम शो करेंगे एंड देन लास्ट में असेट साइड पे, राइट, इन द बैलेंस शीट. बस यही एडजस्टमेंट आपका है. ओके, नथिंग एल्स. नाउ व्हेन वी गोइंग टू डू द टोटल ऑफ द asset side and the liabilities, it must be equal. 54,600 and 54,600. Got this much? You can take the screenshot of the full question. Question number 10. This is your trading account. Then the balance is transferred or the profit is transferred to the net profit and loss account. Gross profit. The net profit is transferred to the capital account, right? Now, very quickly, I'm going to start question number 11. जितना भी हो पाएगा maximum कर लूंगी. Otherwise, rest आपका question जो है वो take it as your homework. Now, here question number 11. This is a trading account of Mr. Sputnik. For the year ended कौन सा है? 31st. Okay. For the year ended on 31st December 23. Now first, the table, trading account, debit, credit, and then particulars amount rupees. Make it a habit to make everything perfect, okay? Okay, now let's very quickly fill the columns. Now here you're going to have 2 and then back. Okay. Now let's see capitals B and drawings B. Opening stock 3,500. Okay. Then purchases and sales, then carriage outward rent. अच्छा returns भी देखिए given है, right? तो पहला हम ये करेंगे to purchases less returns. So 20,300 and minus 300. You will get 20,000 in out of. अगर credit purchase होता तो उसमें add कर देते, right? Now similarly with the sales सेल्स माइनस रिटर्न्स, तो सेल्स आपके 84,180 and minus 160, so you are getting outer column 24020. अच्छा, यहाँ पे देखो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक भी होगा। ओके, क्वेश्चन में देखिएगा क्लोजिंग स्टॉक जरूर से होगा, and closing stock is 7,500, राइट। एंड इसमें और क्या आ सकता है, बाकी सब चीजें तो आई थिंक आपकी बैलेंस शीट और उसकी है। इम्पोर्ट ड्यूटी एंड क्लियरिंग चार्जेस, इम्पोर्ट ड्यूटी एंड clearing charges, okay, 1,600. Now when I'm going to do the total here, तो डेबिट साइड का आ रहा है 25,100, और ये ऑफ कोर्स ज्यादा ही दिख रहा है, तो ये आपका आ गया 91,520। इसमें से जब माइनस करेंगे वी विल गेट द ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट। ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर टू profit and loss account. Difference is 66,420. Now you have to make the profit and loss account. Right? This is the heading. अब इसमें देखिएगा आइटम्स आई थिंक ज्यादा है। Okay, then to and by every time you have to write gross profit आया था, gross profit transferred from ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट। ओके, मैं जल्दी में लिख रही हूँ इसलिए राइटिंग ऐसी आ रही है, आप प्लीज साफ साफ लिखिएगा। ओके, टू सैलरीज एंड वेजेस फर्स्ट ईयर। अगर वेजेस पहले होता तो हम ट्रेडिंग में करते हैं। टू कैरेज आउटवर्ड, इनवर्ड होता तो आपका ट्रेडिंग में होता, राइट। टू रेंट, टू इंश्योरेंस, bad debts, again it's a loss. Then to vehicle, car expenses 2,500. To commission 800. To packaging expenses 2,400. Now here rent is received 1,500. Now I'm going to do the total. If credit side is more, that means it is a net profit. तो देखने से ही लग रहा है 67,920 is the total. Yes. एंड इधर का टोटल जब आप करेंगे तो आएगा 13,800। ओके, यस। So difference क्या आ जाएगा? To net profit transferred to capital account. Please mention all these things, okay? That's why I'm writing again and again. So the difference is 54120. Okay. Now for your homework, you will be doing the balance sheet of this question number 11, and question number 12 is for your homework. And इसका balance sheet का amount कितना आएगा? 72,900 टैली होने का amount. Okay. Remember, balance sheet में capital होगा, उसमें add करेंगे net profit, less करेंगे drawings, and rest of the things you can easily post. Okay. And don't forget to mention the closing stock in the asset side of the balance sheet. Okay. So here we come to the end of this video here. In the next video, I'm going to solve more numericals and the balance sheet of this question also. So please do take care and keep growing and keep learning. Thank you for watching.